New updates to the Figma icons to React app, refreshed UI and new improvements. First, create your icons in Figma. Copy the link to the selected frame with all your vector assets, then paste the URL into the app. You will also need a personal access token, which you can generate from your Figma account settings. Paste the token in the app and click the Fetch Assets button. All your Figma icons will be loaded into the app. A new feature lets you edit icon names directly by clicking the label or using the Tab and Enter keys for keyboard support. Next, go to File in the top menu and click Download React. Unzip your file, open the terminal, and you are ready to publish or update your existing NPM package with React components. Now, you can import your icons into your React app with ease. This app is designed to make your design to development workflow smoother and more maintainable. It's the perfect solution for managing design system repositories like iconography or illustration libraries.